Hello and welcome to Stockton Jaguar Land Rover. My name is Sam and today we have a beautiful example of a Range Rover Sport in stock. Now this one is no ordinary Range Rover Sport, of course it is an SVR. So fantastic specification along with a fantastic engine, and of course it is that 5 litre V8, 575 brake horsepower underneath the engine. Now, of course, looking around the vehicle, Santorini Black is the metallic colour on this car. We've got extended exterior black packs, so black lettering, black grille, surround sensors right around the car, SVR badging, of course. And coming around to the side, what works really well with that black paintwork, again, the continuation of the black theme, 22-inch SVR, red brake calipers. Car looks absolutely magnificent, especially from the side profile. The continuation, again, all these side vents are all black accent, power folding wing mirrors, keyless entry. We've got privacy glass, which adds the extra level of comfort for the rear passengers and gives it very much a stealth look. Now, coming round to the back, of course, we've got them stunning 4 exhausts at the back, signature to SVR, the badging, the SVR roundel on there. And then we do have a fully powered electric tailgate, which we can open with the key or with a push of a button on the boot. Now, as well as being a fast, big car, we do have a really spacious boot on here, storage space underneath with actually a space saver underneath, which is a bit of a lottery getting one of those. And then we do, of course, all of our air suspension controls that we can lower or raise the car, which we can also do inside the cabin. Now, looking round to the inside of this car, we've got the two-tone interior, so it's a mixture of the light oyster and the ebony leather, and of course with it being an SVR, we do have them sport seats in the car. Now, on Range Rover Sport, we do have the option of reclining those rear seats for extra comfort, 4-zone climate control, so we can adjust the temperature in the rear of the vehicle, as well as many points of connectivity, Type-C USBs, to keep everybody connected inside the vehicle. Now, we've got blind spot monitoring, which is quite a rare option for the previous shape of the Range Rover Sport, memory seats, electric seats, lots of adjustment with it being the SVR, of course, again, bolster support, lumbar support on there, electrically adjustable steering wheel, which also saves with the memory, so really handy if we do have multiple people hopping in and out the car. And if you can listen to the engine on this car, it sounds absolutely fantastic if my microphone is picking that up. But heated steering wheel, adaptive cruise control, full digital dashboard, and that reads just shy of 50,000 miles, so 49,544 at the time of recording. Now, we've got keyless start stop, navigation pro with the option of being able to tilt this screen, navigation, media connectivity. We do have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto on this vehicle as well. In regards to the SV interior, we do have heated seats, we've got cooling seats, which is a really nice feature in the summer, and of course all of our different driving modes. Dynamic, a popular one in the SVR, of course, but with that being said, we've actually got all of our off-road modes as well. Now, down here we do have this nice titanium silver finish, twin cup holders, storage space right round the car. Again, the controls of the air suspension, different driving modes which you can do on here, electronic handbrake, and between the two front seats we've even got a nice optional extra on the SVR, which is a front center console refrigerator, which we can operate using that button there. Looking up ahead, we do have the suede cloth headlining, so again it oozes luxury right around the vehicle, and a sliding panoramic roof, so we can open like that, or we can fully open up, and it is really nice on a summer's day to get that engine roaring and listen to it right throughout the vehicle. So again, this is a Range Rover Sport, and it is the absolute pinnacle of what Range Rover Sport has to offer, with it being the SVR, 5 litre, 575 brake horsepower, finished off in Santorini Black. Lots of nice options right around the vehicle. But if you do have any further questions on the vehicle or any of our funding options, remember it is an approved vehicle. It will come with a minimum of 12 months Land Rover warranty. But if you do have any further questions, please do not hesitate to inquire online or call us through this website. Thank you.